In this video I am gonna review the Surfshark VPN. Make sure to watch the full video till the end and also check out the link of Surfshark VPN in the description for a discount. Surfshark has its headquarters in the British Virgin Island, and therefore away from nosy governmental agencies. It also has a zero logs policy, features a kill switch, and uses the open source OpenVPN protocol and top-of-the-line AES 256 encryption. Surfshark has Android VPN, iOS VPN, macOS VPN, and Windows VPN client apps. The company also offers an app for Fire TV, which is a bit of a rarity. There are Surfshark plugins for the Chrome and Firefox browsers. Surfshark offers almost all features that the biggies like ExpressVPN or NordVPN offer. It has its exclusive set of features that no one else offers. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of Surfshark VPN. Surfshark has 1,700 plus servers spread across 160 plus locations in 63 countries. It hails from the British Virgin Islands that is not a part of Five Eyes, Nine Eyes, or 14 Eyes Alliance. It uses military-grade, NSA-certified 256-bit encryption algorithm. It offers a multi-hop feature, which is the same as the double VPN feature of NordVPN. This feature allows you to encrypt your data twice. It offers both OpenVPN (UDP) and TCP, and IKEv2 IPsec VPN protocols. Surfshark has a dedicated kill switch. It has something known as the camouflage mode, which prevents your ISP from knowing that you are using a VPN. It allows you to bypass geo-restrictions of streaming services. It can bypass the Great Firewall of China using the No Borders mode. It is the feature of split tunneling, but it goes by the name Whitelister. It allows you to add specific applications that will not have VPN protection. It allows torrenting, and it is compatible with multiple torrenting clients like Views, MicroTorrent, etc. It has an elegant and straightforward interface. Surfshark is fast enough to allow buffering-free streaming. It allows you to connect unlimited devices against a single license. It has an integrated ad and malware blocker function. It has the lowest price among all VPNs I have tried so far. Surfshark has dedicated browser extensions as well. Now let's talk about the cons. A few of its servers may fail to bypass Netflix's geo-restrictions. The low price comes at the cost of long-term subscription. For short-term subscriptions, you need to pay a high price. Surfshark currently has hard drive storage, but they are switching to RAM-only storage. Now let's talk about the security and privacy. It has 256-bit long keys that produce a whopping 1.1 x 1077 possible key combination. The VPN provider never collects and keeps any user data. Driven by the no-logs policy, the company deletes everything from its servers. Surfshark is from the British Virgin Islands. You can rest assured that none of your data will ever come under the government scanner and that your privacy is safe. Finally, I do want to mention that there is an option on Surfshark for what is called a clean web, which will block ads, trackers and other malicious web content at the source before it gets pulled to your device. This can save data, this can save on your battery life, and it can protect you from unwanted content. Now let's talk about speed. The speeds you'll see will depend very much on your location and target servers, though, so it's important to take the trial and carry out performance tests of your own. Surfshark can unblock Netflix content from the US, UK, Germany, France, Australia, and another 8 countries. It also works well with BBC iPlayer, which isn't very common among VPNs. Surfshark's high-speed servers meant that I was able to stream in high definition, even though I was connected to an international server. I switched its clean web ad blocker on while I was testing out CWTV and YouTube to get rid of the pesky midroll ads, which made for an overall smoother streaming experience. Surfshark has been able to seamlessly handle pretty much any streaming site that I've thrown at it. I've used Disney+, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and a bunch more services. Now let's talk about the pricing. Surfshark's 3 subscription plans come with the same premium features and differ only in length. The 12-month and 24-month plans come with significant discounts that make this VPN cheap and affordable for long-term use. A month-to-month subscription is a bit pricier, but the cost is still very reasonable for the value this VPN provides. Surfshark doesn't have a free version, but it does offer a 7-day free trial for mobile users. You can activate your free trial by downloading the app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. You get a 30-day, money-back guarantee on all subscriptions. If you submit a refund request within 30 days of signing up, you will receive a full refund. Surfshark is a powerful and, initially, low-priced VPN with an array of advanced features. There are some issues, too, but the service has seen some major improvements over the past year, and it deserves to be on your VPN shortlist. If you are ready to buy, then make sure to get it from the link given in the description below this video to get a discount. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest review videos. Thanks for watching.